morning. Wow, what a climate now. Everywhere rainy season. Greenery is there. Yes, now I know. You all want to go somewhere for picnic and enjoy. Yes? But we can't go now. So what? We can draw na. We can draw means we can draw some scenery and we make feel good for us. Yes, we can draw some trees and river. Then you can feel we are in picnic. Okay, then can we start? Okay, then let us start. Open your book. Open right side page like this. And hold your book horizontally. Okay, hold your book horizontally, and where I am drawing that thing na, that thing only you have to draw there only. That means I am drawing tree here, then here I want to draw river, here I will draw mountain, there only you can draw. Okay, and for coloring we are using different technique. Okay, first we will draw and then we will talk about coloring. Then start. First what we will draw? Tree. Lines. Okay, and branches. Then draw this like cloud, how we will draw now. See, like this you draw tree. Okay, now in the back side of the tree I want mountain, so here only in triangles like this you can draw, and draw one horizontal line like this. Don't draw straight, like this you have to draw. Some part of mountain here also I draw now. This is also mountain part. Here I want sun, only draw circle. Then this is river, and don't draw any line straight, some crooked line I want. Okay, this is grass. Grass line. Last year you know in second standard we drawn too many time grass line. We have drawn na. This is our grass line. Okay, here I want some stones like this only, one big, one small. In between that stones you can draw grass like this. Okay, see, grass line. And if this is river, then boat also there na, and in that boat who is there? Yes, you only. Now you are feeling na you are in picnic. Yes, see, this is our boat, simple boat. And in this boat you can draw one girl or boy like this only, draw one circle. and that girl playing in that river. See, simple girl only. She is playing in water, correct? One hand in water. Simple drawing na? Finish. Now we will color. Whichever color you want to give, where that color only you will use, like this, in spring, 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 spring. Okay? Which part you want color na, that part only you can color like this, spring, spring, spring. Okay? One time green, light green, one time dark green, no problem. Okay? See, I complete this tree. Okay, not tree, but a crown. Okay, now for trunk also we are using brown color, and that brown again I am using same like this, circle, circle, spring, spring, spring. Only round, 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 round you have to do. Understanding? Okay. This one. See, I am not coloring like this. Okay. How is my hand moving? Like this. Circle, circle, circle. Round, round only moving my hand. See. Finish my trunk also. Now for mountain, I have different shade of brown. Okay. So I am using that. If you don't have, you can repeat this brown also, no problem. Again, round, round. If you have different shade of brown, you can use that brown also, no problem. Or otherwise, you can repeat this brown also, which we use for trunk. Okay, but every time you have to color this type, circle, circle only. Okay. See, for mountain, if you want to show two different mountains, then you can leave some little space in between two mountains. Okay, here I shown, see, little space I leave, correct, for two mountains. This much part also mountain. So again, circle, circle only. Now here what? This is our water, river. So light blue we have to use, and dark blue also, no problem. Some part here how we done na, some light green, dark green, like this. Here also we can do light blue, dark blue. See, again I am doing circle, circle only. Now for grass, dark green and light green. Again same coloring. Your hand movement is same, round 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 only. Okay, see, in water also I done circle 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 circle. Okay, here light green, you can start with dark green also. See, circle circle only I am moving my hand. You know, and that one line light green, one line dark green, simple. See, okay, each part of drawing now you can color only in circle circle. Here light green we are continuing. For this boat we can draw one line and color this color like this, normal. You can't color here circle circle. For a boat you can color normal, very small part now. Okay, and in middle yellow color. For boat you can use your own color also, your choice. For girl, face skin color, small face, so don't do detail. Hand, okay, and hairs. See, and her frock, I am using purple. This much only. Okay, for this flag now don't do any color, only this stick and outline. Okay, now sun and sky. For sun you can use yellow lightly, circle circle coloring, and some orange, circle circle only. Lightly you have to use, because cloudy sky is there now, so lightly you use yellow and orange. Now here in this space. In rainy season, sky color is gray. Okay, so we are not using blue here. Sky blue we are not using. We will use gray. And if you don't have gray, you can use your pencil. For sky also, we will do circle only, and lightly you have to do. Don't do dark. Round. See, I will show. See, like this I done, na? With pencil. Okay. Fully this space you will use gray color with pencil. If you don't have gray, then you can use pencil. But don't use black color lightly. No. With pencil you can do. See, gray color sky, and this gray color, that means with the pencil you have to color these stones also, huh? Stones also in gray, and with pencil only do. How it is? Are you feeling that you are at picnic spot and enjoying boating? Yes, na? Then enjoy it till next period. That means you can complete this till next period. Okay? Till that, bye. Thank you. Love you. Hi. Good morning. Last period, we went to the picnic. Right? Remembering now, this drawing I hope you completed. This one completed. So in today's drawing also we will draw something interesting like this only. That means in today's drawing one boy and one girl are playing in the water. Then start. Let's open your book. Open right side page. Take your pencil, write heading boy and girl playing in the water. Okay. Now simple, first we will draw boy and girl and then background. Okay, simple drawing. Just draw one circle, small circle here. Okay, I want draw boy, so do boy's hairstyle like this. Then rub this. Now rub this circle part. Okay. Draw two standing line, neckline. Shoulders. T-shirt. Finish. Okay, they are standing in water, so only draw this much drawing. Just draw this much only because they are in water. And giving pose for photograph. So okay. Now eyes. Nose and lips. Now girl, same. Draw one circle, small circle. We want to draw girl. We forgot to draw ears to boy. Huh? Girl. Draw ears. Draw bow. Okay. Neckline. Shoulders. Frock. She is also in water, so draw this much only. Okay. She is holding her brother's hand like this for photograph. And one hand here doing hi, right? Okay, very simple drawing now. Okay, now we want this to show this is water, so draw here grass line and here in the background we will draw trees. Okay, eyes, now how we will draw trees? See, just draw like this slanting lines and do only cloud. Okay, like this you have to draw tree and grass line. Till end you have to draw grass line. if you are having more space, then you can draw more grass lines. Okay, now here we will draw some paper boats like this we made, no? Paper boats. Okay, some bushes. Okay, and if you want, you can draw skyline here. In this space, you can draw skyline. Okay, in between these trees you can draw skyline. Okay, don't draw water line, don't draw. Okay, now we will start coloring. I am only marking which color we are using where, and for boy and girl you can choose your own colors. Okay, and for hairs and for eyes you can use black color, but in last. Okay, now let's start coloring. See, for tree, as usual, we will use green, dark green and light green. Here what you will do, you can do one tree light green, one tree dark green. Okay, like this you can color. Okay, then for sky you know that dark blue and light blue, right? But for water, what you will do, you can use only one color, light blue only you will use, and when you finish full coloring with light blue, then only draw little bit lines of dark blue like this. Okay, then for grass line again light green and dark green, right? For bushes also one light green, one dark green. And here for trees trunk, brown, only brown, one brown only. Okay, don't color these boat. Okay, then let's start coloring. See, now I finish background, correct? Now you can get exact idea what I want to show you. Okay, for tree light dark, here I done skyline, bushes also light dark green. Okay, now for water what I want only you have to color fully light blue like this. Horizontally you have to do like this, you have to do fully light blue. Okay, don't color for boat, don't do any color. Fully you have to color light blue for water. Like this you have to complete water with light blue, and only do lines, water lines like this for in water. like this only you have to do. Just draw water lines. This much coloring for water. Okay, now I will do this grass line, light green and dark green. Now for boy and girl, skin color for face, hand and legs, and for t-shirt and girls frock you can choose your own colors. Okay, now color this face. First start with skin color only, but don't color hairs. Okay, black color we always use in the last. See, I finish each and everything coloring part, correct? But I not colored for boat, right? And hairs and eyes. Okay, now I am using black color for hairs and eyes, but don't color for boat. Black color always use in last, right? Because it will spread. Eyes, nose, correct. Here also, for girl also, okay, nice. Okay then, bye. Enjoy this drawing till next period. Thank you. Hi, hello, good morning. Today we will make some craft, paper folding work. Okay, I know you all getting bored continuously coloring scenery and that green color, light green, like this only na we are doing. Last two drawings we are doing this, correct? So we will make some craft. Okay, but one thing I want to ask you, are you finishing all drawings? Previous drawings you completed all? Okay, please complete it. And if you not understanding, please see that video, repeat, then you can understand. Okay, but do neatly color it. Okay, then can we start our today's craft? Okay, then for today's craft what things we need, कौन से चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल हम करेंगे ये आज हम देखेंगे. ओके, पहले take one craft paper, any color craft paper you can take, but take light color only. हाँ, don't take dark color. Fevicol we need and colors we need, because we are going to stick this craft in our drawing book, and in the background something I want, so we need colors also. Then let's start. Okay, but see neatly first and then you can do. Okay, first see, very easy simple craft. Okay, then start. See, दिस इज अवर क्राफ्ट पेपर इन स्क्वायर शेप। ओके, ऐसे स्क्वायर में ही पेपर आपको लेना है। देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ओनली फोल्ड इट इन ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म। ऐसे ट्रायंगल में आपको फोल्ड करना है इसको। मतलब क्या करोगे, ये कॉर्नर को ये कॉर्नर से अच्छे से जॉइंट करो, ऐसे प्रेस करो, आराम से देखो, धीरे धीरे देखो, ठीक है। मैं भी धीरे धीरे ही करने वाली हूँ। हाँ, अभी क्या करना है, ये जो पॉइंट है ये वाला, इधर हमको ऐसा फोल्ड चाहिए, ऐसा। तो क्या होगा, ये साइड इधर जाएगा। ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस इज ओपनिंग साइड विल टच this closed side. Okay, this opening side will touch this closed side, like this only. You have to fold in this corner. You have to fold in this corner. आराम से फोल्ड करो, धीरे से, अच्छे से देख के फोल्ड करो। Finish. Correct. Fold. Okay. Now again, this side only, not this. Only one side. This one. You have to fold again like this. But from this point only, this corner only you have to fold. यही corner से आपको फिर से fold करना है। Okay, fold, finish. See, like this it will look. Okay, then what, simple thing, only you have to fold this starting portion, this much only, in slanting. आपको ऐसे टेढ़ा पीछे फोल्ड करना है, इसको ऐसे पीछे टेढ़ा फोल्ड करना, like this. Okay, slanting. In the back side you have to fold it. Okay, finish. Now what, again you have to fold this corner here in the front side, like this. Again slanting only you have to do. Okay, see, just press it neatly. Okay, press it neatly. What do you think, what is this? किसी को कुछ समझ में आ रहा है ये क्या हो सकता है? यस, क्या हो सकता है, ये डक हो सकता है, बराबर। अभी इस डक को अगर मैंने यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सर्कल निकाला, दिख रहा है? हाँ, अभी लग रहा है। ओके, लुकिंग ना, दिस इज डक। Now what we will do, we can stick this duck in our drawing book. So in the right side page you have to stick this duck. But before sticking, one thing we have to do. This duck want to swim in water. Yes, yes, no. This duck want to swim in water. So we have to draw water. Okay. So first draw water line. See, keep this aside and first draw water line like this. You know what is water line and sky line? Difference between, yes now? Okay. Simple today's drawing now. Then do fast. And if you not finished previous drawings, then please complete those drawings also. Okay, because today's drawing is very simple, drawing not craft, so do it fast and complete those drawings also. Okay, now what you know, we can color light blue, dark blue, light blue, dark blue, and then we will stick this duck in the water, then duck also happy. Okay, now start to coloring. See, I have finished light blue coloring. I colored in this wavy line only. शेप के अंदर ही मैंने कलर किया है, जैसा लाइन ड्रॉ किया वैसा ही कलरिंग किया है. सो यू हैव टू कलर लाइक दिस ओनली, इन द शेप ओनली यू हैव टू कलर. ओके, नाउ यू आर इन थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड, सो नो नीड टू टेल you to do like this, color like this. Okay, so do neatly, do properly. Okay, now here what I will do, blue, dark blue, right? Then do now you know light blue, dark blue, light blue, dark blue, na? Then do. Okay, I am also doing, you also do, but first color it and then stick that duck. Okay, don't stick duck first and then color. Neatly, properly you have to color. Color in shape only. See, continuously I am telling this only, huh? So you have to color in shape only. See, I have finished my all water lines, right? Now before sticking our duck, if you want, you can color this space with pencil, or if you have gray color, you can use this gray color here. Okay, if you don't have gray color, you can use pencil. So first, if you want, you can color this space with the gray color. Vertically only you have to color. I finish my coloring part. Now take your duck and stick it wherever you want. Funny thing I made ducklings also, like this. If you want, you can do. This is not compulsory. If you want, you can do. See, duck and ducklings. Okay, okay, and I will stick like this. Then stick it. Take Fevicol. Put some Fevicol. Spread it. Stick it. Simple. Yes, press it properly. If you want, then only you have to do ducklings. Otherwise, only duck. Okay. Press it properly. Okay, na? Like, na? I also like very much. But this is not compulsory. These two things, this is compulsory. You have to do duck. But if you want, then only you can do duckling. Otherwise, leave it. Don't do. If you don't have paper or anything. Okay? No problem. But use light color for duck. because we are coloring blue color in the background. Okay, then do it neatly, and if you not understanding, see it again and again, then you can understand. But this is very simple craft, so I know you can understand easily. Okay, but with this what you will do, you can complete our previous drawings also. Okay, then till then, bye and thank you.